Realme GT6T is set to launch in India. Realme is set to launch the GT6T smartphone in the Indian market on May 22. The GT6T is a rebranded version of the China-exclusive Realme GT Neo 6 SE. The Realme GT6T is tipped to sport a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate. Realme GT6T's display offers a peak brightness of 6000 nits. It's the world's brightest display and comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The brand has released several teasers claiming that this will be the first device in India to feature the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3. With 12GB LPDDR5x RAM and up to 512GB storage with UFS 4.0, boot Android 14 base Realme UI 5.0 custom skin out of the box. The phone features a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 main camera with OIS and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. We might see a 32-megapixel Sony IMX615 snapper for selfies. The phone will pack a 5500 mAh battery with 120W fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.